When opened up, the Pixel Fold is claimed by Google to be the thinnest foldable phone ever made. Prior to the release of this phone, Xiaomi's Mix Fold 2 had the thinnest foldable at 5.4mm, although it still holds the title of thinnest foldable overall since, when folded, it measures 11.2mm as opposed to Pixel Fold's 12.1mm. The thinnest foldables available are thus those from Google and Xiaomi. But the powerful hinge of the Pixel Fold, which Samsung refers to as Flex Mode, allows it to be held at any angle, making it far superior than the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. It's fantastic to see Google didn't skimp on this since it's a crucial and practical feature of foldable phones. Currently, only Samsung and Huawei's foldable phones are rated as water-resistant. With the Pixel Fold, this changes since Google is now a part of the trend. As opposed to the aluminum used in the Pixel 7 Pro, the frame of the Pixel Fold is constructed out of stainless steel, a far more durable and high-quality material. In comparison to candy bar phones, foldables are recognized for their superior multitasking capabilities, and the Pixel Fold is no exception. Drag and drop support is simple between them as part of the multitasking feature. Along with working with developer partners to improve the best applications in various categories, Google also optimized over 50 of its own apps for the experience on a large screen, including Gmail, YouTube, Meet, and others. Despite the fact that Samsung has been producing foldable phones for years, its most costly model still lacks the finest photography capabilities. Thankfully, Google decided against doing the same and instead gave us the newest camera setup, which included a 5x periscope zoom lens. Even while it isn't their greatest camera system, it still has a periscope zoom lens, which the Z Fold 5 still lacks. The cover screen was done well by Google. In fact, the display doesn't have a crowded feeling to it. Despite being significantly larger and more practical for daily work, it is substantially smaller, 5.8-inch versus the Z Fold 4's 6.2, than the Z Fold 4. All of the Google software bells and whistles found on their standard Pixel phones, like the Magic Eraser, Photo Unblur, Cinematic Video, Motion Mode, Real Tone, Live Translator and Interpreter, long software support, and more, are included with the Pixel Fold. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.